Today is chicken in a barrel, so we got to get the barrels loaded up in the truck and over to the church. Okay, barrels are out front. Now I just got to get them loaded. Barrels are set up. Now time to start processing chickens. We've got a bunch over there, a bunch in here, and a bunch more in the refrigerator. We have fire. We'll give that about 30-40 minutes to get the coals hot. We'll go down now and season all the chicken and get ready to hang them. Okay, spicing the chickens. Okay, the coals are ready. I got that one loaded already. This one's going to go in, and I'll show you what they look like once they're in the barrel here in a minute. Okay, now that one's all loaded up. So we'll give them about 45 minutes to an hour and we'll check them. This is the hardest part about cooking barrel chicken. Right after eating it. Super difficult. Watching the smoke. Yep. Chickens are coming along. About 130 degrees right now. In another 45 minutes or so, they should be ready. All right, we got most of the chicken cut up. This, oops, what they end up looking like. And it's delicious. Okay, this is the final step of the chicken.
Oh,
Kevin's dishing it up.
You gotta look at this right here. Look at,
They're not the
It's
cosmos.
gonna be fantastic.
this is so good.
Oh, that looks good.
Look at that.
That is delicious.
Oh, sorry. I don't know if there's enough.